Welcome! This is Health and Yum, where we mix delicious recipes with nutrition and health tips. My name is Alina, and today we are making, are you ready? A sweet, rich, and decadent dessert. Chocolate mousse that will make you want to lick the spoon clean. Let's start by adding 120 grams semi-sweet and 400 grams milk chocolate chips to a cast iron double wall pot or a double boiler. Next, add 120 grams coconut cream. Did you know that coconut cream has healthy fats that help nourish and moisturize the skin and hair? Who wouldn't want that? And now we heat everything and stir often until the chocolate chips are melted. Remove from heat and allow the mixture to cool off until cool to touch. In the meantime, add 100 grams aquafaba and half teaspoon apple cider vinegar to a medium-sized bowl. With a handheld mixer, beat the aquafaba until you can comfortably turn the bowl upside down without the mixture spilling. Approximately 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon vanilla extract to the cooled chocolate chip mixture. Then gently fold it into the aquafaba, 1 big spoonful at a time. Don't overmix. Fold the mixture until everything is just combined. Otherwise, the air bubbles will collapse. Transfer the mousse into little cups or jars and chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours. I find that I can't eat a lot of chocolate mousse at once as it's rich and sweet, but it's the perfect dessert to serve with berries. Berries are rich in antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. I like to add them in many of the foods I make, such as smoothies, puddings, salads, muffins, yogurt, and oatmeal. So many delicious options. I like to top the chocolate mousse with whipped cream and hemp seeds before serving. What are your favorite toppings? Hemp seeds are my favorite seeds. They are a great source of protein, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Such a powerhouse. If you like this yummy chocolate mousse recipe, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video where we make a yummy, creamy, and delicate vanilla pudding that will make your taste buds sing.